Hello everyone! Today I'll be unboxing the April Boxycharm. Let's begin. When you open the box, you will usually have this card here that tells you what's inside the box. And I also have this ad here for makeup eraser as well. Okay, so the first product I see here is this Pore Professional Hydrating Primer. And the retail price for this is $32. So let's see what this looks like. So it looks like it's a little tinted, but it's not. It takes the color of your skin, so it doesn't change the color of it. It blends right in, and this is supposed to be the hydrating version. Okay. The next product is this iconic London illuminator, and the retail value for this is $41. So you can add this to your foundation, moisturizer, primer, or just wear it on its own. Kind of has some shine to it. So it's a rose goldy color. So this looks very intense, but you can always sheer it out so it doesn't look like this under the face. Or you can use it as a highlighter as well. Okay. The next product are these Paddington lashes with lash glue. I personally don't wear lashes, so don't know much about them. But the price for that is $31. Okay. Now, the next item in the box are these 5-piece neon brush set by Lavish, and the retail price for this is $29.99. So it's a very colorful set. So you have an eyebrow brush or eyeliner brush for detail work, blending brush. It's different types of brushes in one. It's pretty cool and colorful. Okay. And there is one item left in the box. The last item is this eyeshadow palette. It's called Rose Golden by Zoeva, and the retail value for this is $28. So let's see what the inside looks like. So when you open it, it has this cover over here And these are the colors. It's a very subdued, neutral kind of rose gold palette. Let's see what some of the shades look like. This is more of a coppery color. It's more of a rose gold. It's more of a gold right there. But as you can see, they are very light colors. So that's what they look like. And yeah. So that's it for the Boxycharm April box. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.